Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Binance transaction history easily. First, you will need to log into your Binance account using a desktop browser. Once logged in, simply move your mouse over the wallet icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Transaction History to view your past activities. This initial step gets you right where you need to be to begin reviewing your records. Once you are on the transaction history page, look for a small export icon, usually near the top. Clicking this icon will present you with the option to export transaction records. For quick access to recent activity, you can select one of the convenient predefined date ranges. For example, you might choose to view all transactions from the past 6 months with just one click. This makes retrieving common reports very straightforward. If you need a report for a period longer than 6 months or a very specific time frame, select the Customize option. Here, you can manually input your desired start and end dates. You also have the flexibility to filter your report by specific accounts or even individual cryptocurrencies. Remember, you can generate up to 15 statements per month. After setting your preferences, click Generate to begin processing your custom report. Generating your detailed report can take a few minutes, or sometimes even up to several hours, depending on the data volume. Binance will send you an email or SMS notification once your statement is complete and ready for download. It is crucial to return to the Export Transaction Records page and download your file promptly, as the download link typically expires after 7 days. This ensures you have your complete records for your personal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.